he made a drawing of something he called a water mine. We're talking about sea mine. It worked. With this drawing, he get in contact with the Russian army. So when I was 4 years old, he was forced to leave Stockholm. When people were after him, they wanted money back. He moved by his own to St. Petersburg, Russia, and started a company there that made products for the Russian army with the name of Sobrero. He had invented an oil. He mixed glycerin with nitric acid and sulfuric acid, and in a special process, he got an oil that we call nitroglycerin. But not even Herr Sobrero, who invented this, could see how you could use it in a safe way. It was explosive, you could see that. But how do you use it in a safe way? But I could see that. So when I came back to St. Petersburg, I started to develop it even more. And in the end, I could go out on the market and sell it as the Nobel blasting oil, nitroglycerin. Because we didn't have any proper explosive at that time. Well, black powder. But I mean, put black powder in a hole that you drill and put a match to it. Psst, nothing more happens.